How to remove Made with AI label on Facebook post. Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Talks. To remove Made with AI label on Facebook post, open Facebook. To remove the AI label, you have to make some changes while uploading your post. So let me show you by creating a post. So to create a post, simply click on this what's on your mind icon located on top of your screen. Now upload any photo or video by clicking on this photo/video icon located on middle of your screen. Now select any photo or video. Here I'll be selecting this one. Now simply edit a post and give it a caption or make any changes that you want. So after finalizing a post, here on top of your screen you can see this icon AI label off. So click on that. Now you will see this kind of pop-up labeling a content. So make sure you turn it off. If this icon is turned on, or you can see this blue color on your screen, then you can see that Made with AI label on your Facebook post. So make sure you turn it off. Now you can simply upload a Facebook post without worrying about AI label. This is all you need to do to get rid of Made with AI label on a Facebook post. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Follow us for more helpful tutorials.